Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is negotiation and timing. Now, why have I brought up timing? Well, you shouldn't be going in thinking of negotiation in the first place. You should be going in thinking, can I align with this client? Have I asked intelligent questions? Have I listened? Have I observed what they want, what they're saying, what they're doing? And then have I aligned with them? Let's assume you've done all that. Any negotiation should then be the 11th hour, if at all, to get it over the line. It should never be your driver. So many times when I go and buy something, the salesperson's almost falling over themselves negotiating at the very beginning. That's just driving down the value of your product. So think about the timing of any conversation to do with negotiation. And if you're a leader in your team, make sure your team are sold on the actual value that you've put on it and the price you're actually giving the client. They should all be thinking you should be paying that, because once they're congruent in that, they're going to ask for that money and they're not actually going to even look at negotiating. If you found this useful, then do share. And if you want more tips on negotiation, we have so many tips on negotiation, then subscribe below. You can do a course on negotiation. We hold courses every few months in major states. Just contact us. Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.